72% of finance teams and 60% of marketing teams already run AI pilots, yet only 40% of HR teams have taken that step. While other business functions sprint ahead with AI, HR is still warming up and missing out on a major opportunity to drive strategic impact. AI is reshaping the way we recruit, develop, engage, and retain talent, fundamentally elevating HR's potential as a driver of business outcomes. But capturing that value requires more than scattered AI experiments. Without a clear AI strategy, your efforts remain fragmented. One team tests a resume screener, another dabbles in sentiment analysis. But nothing aligns, nothing scales, and nothing proves ROI. What HR needs is a structured, comprehensive AI strategy. Let's break down the 5 pillars for a well-designed HR strategy. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable HR insights. You'll take a deep dive into the 5 pillars that I mentioned: culture, governance, technology, competencies, and goals. You can also download the companion guide, AI Strategy Framework for HR Leaders, for additional resources and context in building your AI strategy. Let's get started. Number 1, culture. Culture is a mindset shift that helps your team let go of outdated assumptions and build confidence in AI. Focus on addressing fears of job replacement, providing upskilling opportunities, and motivating AI adoption in everyday work. Reshaping team dynamics and workflows to include AI tools. Guiding leadership and employees on how to work with a new AI-powered HR function. This builds a culture that encourages innovation, adaptability, and human-machine collaboration. Creates psychological safety to experiment with AI, learn, fail, and then try again. Number 2, governance. AI governance requires clear roles, ethical AI practices, and a plan for oversight. Responsible AI governance is all about proactively evaluating, implementing, and monitoring AI. You don't want to be writing policy after your first AI mistake. Focus on building trust with a strong AI policy that helps your team understand where, how, and why they should use AI in HR. Defining clear accountability structures so your team knows who is responsible for evaluating tools, approving vendors, monitoring risks, and acting on feedback. Use a RACI matrix to allocate roles and responsibilities in your AI initiatives. Setting up cross-functional governance, working together with IT, legal, and operations when you make decisions about tools, infrastructure, and ethics. Number 3, technology. Next up, let's talk tech, but keep it practical. A successful AI for HR tech stack is use case driven, data ready, and co-owned by HR, IT, and finance. Nail the integration, adoption, and ROI guardrails early, and the tools will absolutely scale themselves. End result, your HR department becomes a measurable driver of business value. Focus on building a use case first roadmap, creating a repeatable template for successful rollouts through documented best practices, engaging stakeholders under a shared KPI, feeding AI tools with unified, unbiased data to build and maintain accuracy, trust, and compliance. Number 4, competencies. Even the most thorough and well-structured AI strategy will fail if your people don't have the right skills to execute it. To lay the foundation to ensure you're building the right competencies, focus on getting crystal clear on your purpose. Are you investing in AI to speed up recruitment, improve workforce planning, or enhance employee experience? Map the needed skills and behaviors to your use cases. Defining learning needs based on the different levels of AI fluency and separating them into tracks. This helps your team learn skills based on role and requirements. Taking stock of the platforms, subscriptions, and vendors your organization already has access to. This will help you understand what gaps to fill. HR-specific AI training is needed to provide your team with the right AI skills relevant to HR. Number 5, goals. Goals like make HR AI-driven feel very exciting, but lack clear timelines, priorities, or scope. Make sure your goals are realistic, achievable, and tied to HR and organizational priorities. Setting clear, measurable OKRs ensures your AI adoption is not just a performative tech experiment, but a real business enabler. Additionally, don't forget to track adoption, not just output. You can add goals around tool usage, completion rates, and qualitative feedback. Let's recap the 5 pillars. Culture is the mindset shift to make your people feel safe to learn, question, and adapt. Governance is the policies, ethics, and standards that ensure structure in your strategy. Technology is the tool you need to solve real problems. Competencies are the skills that give your team the ability and confidence to execute your AI strategy. And goals are the outcomes that keep you focused and turn momentum into measurable impact. These 5 pillars give you a well-designed strategy to make AI work for HR, not just in theory, but in practice. This is how you move beyond the hype and implement AI in a grounded, inclusive, and scalable way. Because when HR gets AI right, it doesn't just transform processes, it transforms how people work. If you want to dive deeper into building your AI strategy, check out the AI Strategy Framework for HR leaders. And once you're ready to move from framework to execution, the AI for HR Bootcamp is the perfect program to level set your team's AI capabilities fast.